Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the December Glossybox, which came in this really beautiful tin, and honestly, I like it so much more than the regular boxes. So today we're going to jump into everything in this box, do a full in-depth review. There's really not much makeup today, so it's going to be predominantly on the skin and hair side. We're going to jump into all of the items inside, is it worth it, and all of my thoughts. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me and unbox all of the stuff inside of, honestly, the most gorgeous tin I think I've gotten from Glossybox, stay tuned. So I know I've already kind of killed the fact that it's a beautiful box, but I love the interdimensional cosmic vibes, the moon with the crystals. It's just really cute. I don't know if it's super seasonal, but there's some snowflakes on there too. So from a packaging standpoint, I think the tin is nicer than the boxes normally are, and it's pretty heavy duty. So as always, there is a little theme card, and this is the 2021 finale, a special box filled with over 6 products. Health and wellness, boost your immunity and digestion with the teas, illuminate your skin this winter, and the theme is Moonlight Glow, which I think is really cute. The final box of 2021 is here, and we are so glad to be experiencing that you're experiencing it with us. I can't read today. It has been an eventful year full of treats, surprises, and most of all, beauty. We thank you for being part of our community, and we can't wait to show you what we have coming up for 2022. Okay, so clarifying, it is $21 a month. It goes down to $18 if you buy 12 months at a time, which is why I thought it was $19. But I do have a link that will give you your first box for $16. The dollar they only do every now and then, so I do want to just clarify that. We're going to start that whole thing over. Now this is a $21 a month subscription box, but if you do 12 months at a time, it becomes $18 a month, give or take, when you break it down. And I do have a link in my bio for you to get it for $16 for your first box. Not an affiliate code. I'm not getting any sort of commission off of it. Just me sharing a discount with you if you are so inclined. So first item out of the box comes from the brand Vodum. These are teas, actually. So this is an extra treat, 3 tea bag, a lemon ginger, a turmeric chamomile, and a turmeric ginger. These teas are just what you need in the winter to stay warm and stay healthy, sourced directly from over 150 renowned plantations on the small individual farms in India. The ingredients include antioxidants, inflammatory properties, and aid with digestion. These are $1 each, or a box of 30 for $11.99, and we have 3. I will be trying this probably later tonight, because I live in Colorado now where it's cold, but I'm kind of toasty right now because I got the heat going and it's the middle of the day. But at night, I really like a nice hot cup of tea. Next, from LaRousse Beauty, this is their eyeshadow blending brush, LR120. Now, I have it somewhere, because I have, is this one it? No, that one's different. I have a bunch of the LaRousse brushes, and I'll have to find this one, because I do already own it. So I will drop it in an upcoming giveaway, because I have so many brushes, and this thing back here is filled with eyeshadow brushes, and that one's all face brushes, and I have more in the drawers, and I have a bunch of these little organizers also filled with brushes. So rather than having more brushes collect dust, I'm going to end up giving this one away. It is a very good brush, but I do already own it, so I don't need another one. Retailing for $28, create a soft, diffuse contour with this blending brush made with super soft Polyflex fibers. The studded handle makes it easy to grip, so you have a steady hand to create any eye look you're looking for. I will just grab another one of my LaRousse handles just so I don't contaminate that one or touch it. I feel weird touching things that I'm going to be giving away, so I try to keep it in the wrapping. I don't like opening it. I don't like looking at the inside. I just like keeping it sanitary. But the handles are really nice, and they are nice to hold. This is one of the buffing brushes. This is my tapered blending brush. I found it. It is a really nice shape for getting in here, but I will be honest, I prefer it for a nice nose contour. So if you're someone who likes contouring your nose, it's going to be a great brush, and I will drop it in an upcoming giveaway, so one of you could end up getting that brush. Next, this is not listed on here, so this is the mystery product. This is the Neo Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish from Skin Research Laboratories. Buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxurious whipped facial polish that enhances skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. Apply a thin layer onto clean, wet skin, gently massage, leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse. So it's going to be an exfoliator. I'm not sure if this is a full size or not, but it's 1.3 ounces, and most exfoliators come in either 1 to 2 ounces, so I'm assuming it's a full size. but I typically don't like physical exfoliation. I prefer to do chemical exfoliants. The one physical exfoliant I found that I've liked comes from Caudalie. Next, this is from Batiste. This is a travel size, the DIY travel shampoo. They retail for $3.99 each, and this is a 2-pack. It says right on here, one for you and one for a friend. Don't like washing your hair every day? No problem. This dry shampoo provides an instant refresh, leaving your hair looking and feeling and smelling fresh and clean, so that your style lasts longer between washes. The mini bottle is perfect for touch-ups and on the go or throughout your day. Shake the can, hold 12 inches away from the root, spray and massage. I do not like dry shampoos. I don't use them. I don't like them. I like to pin my hair up at night. I kind of pull it down. I zhuzh it out. And I shower twice a day because I'm crazy. I don't wash my hair twice a day, but I rinse it twice a day. And I mean, I know that's not great for my hair, but now that I'm in more of a dry climate, I do like to get it wet and put more of those hydrating hair oils and leave-in conditioners in. So for me, I kind of need it, so I'm going to pass on those as well. The next item I feel like I've gotten 1,000 times over, and I continue to talk about it, and it's another one of those products I like, but not enough for the 9 times a year I get it. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Travel size retails for $22. The perfect recipe for dewy glow, the silicone-free moisturizer primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. It is formulated with an energizing blend of kombucha and fermented ginger to help you brighten and illuminate micro minerals, and important to subtle radiance. To impart a subtle radiance. Again, I can't read. It's a good product. I do enjoy it. I have like 9 of them because I keep getting more because I feel like I get them a lot in Ipsy and in Look Fantastic and in Glossybox, and I don't want any more because I already have plenty. I liked it. I didn't love it when I was in Florida. Now that I'm in Colorado where things are a little bit drier, I will be giving it a second chance. But again, it's not one of those products that I find I need 90 different tubes of. One is plenty. And the last item comes from LA Splash. It is the Moonlight Glow Face Palette. Retailing for $34, give your face some lunar love with this real moonlight glow. 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look, whether you want a subtle glow or steal the spotlight. The beauty will dazzle any room you walk into. Retails for $34. Every LA Splash product I've used, I've been hit or miss on, so this does have a protective film. I'm not going to take it off. The one thing I will say is the contour shade looks a little gray, but I'm really happy with the depth of these other tones. I feel like most of the time in these boxes, we get really fair-leaning products, light pinks, not this like beautiful coral, and this kind of a bronzy shade would normally be a really light champagne. So I'm happy that this palette is here because it is a little bit more catered towards medium skin tones, and you can use it for deep and you can use it for light, but it doesn't just scream fair skin, which for me makes me happy because too many products do scream fair skin. Now, I don't need more highlighters. Part of the moving process from Florida, I did downsize a lot of my makeup, but I still have 3 drawers of highlighters, so I am going to pass on this product. I've also not been super impressed with the LA Splash products I've used, so this isn't something that hurts me to give away. Not that it ever does, because honestly, I have so much and I'm happy to put things in giveaway and give things back to you. So looking at this box, the brush is fantastic and more than covers the cost of the box, so definitely something great there. The teas I'm really excited to try. If you like leave-in conditioner, if you like dry shampoos, I don't know if I haven't spoken about her in a while, but my friend Leslie, she's the CEO of Beauty for Real, loves this dry shampoo. I used to keep these in my bathroom for when she would come over because we would film her TikToks in my living room, and every now and then she's like, my hair is flat, I need something, and I would keep these on hand. Now that I'm a little further from her, unfortunately, I can't leave them for her. But if you like those kind of products, this will be great for you. As far as the boxes go, 4 out of 6 products I think is a really good box. Like I say in every unboxing video, I try to look at the value. If you're getting more than the money you spend in that box, it's typically worth it. And when I look at a $21 box, $21 a month box, my question is, would I be better taking $21 and going to Ulta or Sephora or the beauty section of Target, or would I be better getting the box? And in this case, if you like these kind of products, I think the box would be better than going shopping for something else, because it's going to get you a lippy in Sephora, and that's about it. So those are my thoughts. As always, let me know down below what you think. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!